Welcome back to Cosmeholics Anonymous. I am your favorite mother bougie vintage, and today's video is a makeup tutorial. I'll be using a lot of new products in this tutorial because I am going to be using drugstore products, but I just must say that I totally understand why people be going into these stores and stealing. These shits are overpriced than a motherfucker. Like, I should have stole every damn thing. Just kidding. Stealing is very bad. I purchased all drugstore products and I ended up spending $165. Now, this is with 3 toothpastes for $2.99. So we're gonna take out $9 off of this, okay? But that's still a lot of money. I got a lot of stuff. So is it worth it? I don't know. I always tell people, if you're going to buy drugstore products, just go to Walmart or Target because it's $3 cheaper. At least in Canada it is. Everything at the drugstore is $3 cheaper at Walmart. And that's just facts. I used to work at Shoppers Drug Mart, so I used to get a discount. And even with my discount, sometimes it would be cheaper to buy the stuff at Mother effing Walmart. So that's what I have to say about that. So I'm going to start by priming my face. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows really quickly. I'm just going to do them off camera because they're not threaded. So just ignore the eyebrow part. Do your eyebrows how you want to do your eyebrows. Don't worry about my tutorial, okay? If you want, there are some links in the description box. I promise drugstore products are always taped up like Fort Knox. I can't deal. So this first product is the Instant Touch-Up Blur Stick by Milani, and it instantly smooths, mattifies, and controls shine. The cool thing about this product is that it can be applied throughout the day to minimize shine and oil. I would assume that's if you're not wearing makeup and you just get oily. So we're gonna test this out. So it looks like this. It looks like a deodorant. I'm applying a shit ton because it's this is what I'm using as my primer today. I didn't buy like a squeeze primer, so this is what it gets. And it feels good on the skin. I have no complaints there. And now I'm just gonna take my hands, blend that all in. I definitely think that it's doing what it says it does, which is blur and smooth. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference on camera, but I can. And so it really does like give you a nice little glow, nice little flawless canvas to work on. And it actually kind of feels like, even though it's mattifying, it kind of feels like it's hydrating a bit. For eyeshadow primer, I'll be taking my Milani eyeshadow primer. The shade is 01 Nude. So first we're going to reach into our Modern Renaissance palette and we're going to take the shade Love Letter. So I've applied it directly into the crease, and I've applied it on the outer V and the inner corner, the outer V and the inner corner. So now I'm going back into my NYX Ultimate palette from yesterday's tutorial, or whenever I uploaded that video, child. And I'm going to take that purple in the upper corner. That purple is actually the reason I bought the palette, because I just thought it was such a stunning purple. It's not the purple that you see very often. Oh, I'm so dumb. This is not the makeup look I'm supposed to be doing right now. I'm supposed to be doing the one from Love and Hip Hop. No wonder I'm so confused. I was like, I had to wipe off my makeup already. Even though this purple is not the look I'm doing, I was gonna do a halo eye right now, but then I totally remembered that I wanted to do a specific look, and so this can still work. So I'm gonna take that purple and I'm going to apply it to the eye as well. I'm then going to take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot.
Because I tried the thing and it didn't work. So now we're here.
It's certainly hot. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. The munchkin's on the titty, so I got to figure my life out. It's squirting everywhere. Latch. This little girl, oh my gosh. You're wasting the milk, mama. So now you want to take Atlantic Blue. This is a MAC color. And you want to press it onto the lid. For some reason, she has a preference. I think every baby has a boob preference, but her preference is so strong that she literally will not stay latched on the boob if it's not the right one that I give her. She likes the left boobie better. So now I'm going to take my Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. Shade is called Smoky Storm. So it's almost like doing a little bit of a halo, but not really. And you want it to be less sparkle as you move it upward onto the eyelid. And then you want to take a little bit more and apply it to the inner corner. So now I'm actually going to reach into my MAC palette and I'm going to take the shade color and I'm going to take the shade called Bamboo. And I'm just going to go around the look like this. And I'm kind of using it as an eraser. I'm using it to blend and diffuse the harsh lines because it is such a light color. I love veggie so much. I'm really hungry right now, waiting for my dinner to be cooked. And so we're not done our eyes, but we're gonna move on to our face. For lashes, I'm going to take my Ardell lashes. These are number 281. Oh my god. These are number 251. Now I think these are a little bit longer than my actual eye, so I'm gonna cut the end off. Now because I'm not wearing eyeliner, I have to be extremely careful when putting the lashes on. No smoke, no smoke. And for this look, you definitely want to use a fuller lash. You don't want to use one that's too sparse. It looks better to have a thicker lash when you're not wearing liner. Now with this blue shadow, I have a lot of fallout, so I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit before I continue my makeup. I'm gonna reapply the primer that I used on my face, just in this area since I wiped off my makeup. To color correct, I'll be taking my Master Camo color correcting pen. This is the orange one. I believe the shade is 50, but I'm not sure. Girl, I'm gonna be twisting this thing for 10 years. It's not coming out. Like, there we go. I like the little sponge thingy on it. That's kind of cool for application, I guess. And I like the color that it is. It's not too orange. It's actually right in between orange and peach. So it's not as intense as the LA Girl, but it's not as peach as the MAC concealer. It's like a happy medium. So I really am digging this. I am. I don't think I like the brush anymore that it came with. So I'm just going to use an actual sponge to blend that out. But oh my. If you know how to blend properly, you might be able to get away with wearing just this product on a day that you are just not feeling like wearing a lot of makeup. But look at the difference between this dark circle and this one. That's a cute little product. Okay, Maybelline, I see you. I tried to get the Maybelline, the new Maybelline foundation, but they did not have my shade in stock. The shit sold out in my neighborhood. So I wanted to go to Walmart, but Walmart was so out of the way, and I was trying to just do what I needed to do at the post office and come home. So I didn't bother doing that, but I'm going to get that foundation because I swatched it at the store and I was like, oh my god, the coverage is beautiful. It's such a nice foundation. So I'm going to get that the next time I go to Walmart. The cool thing about this one is that most color correctors that you find in store, especially drugstore, they stop at orange, but they actually have a red one. If you are deeper skin and you have really, really dark circles that orange is not going to fix, you can use red. And so they carry a red color, which I think is super awesome because, girl, this color corrector is the bomb. I love this color corrector. It is so good. Some of that right here. For foundation, I'll be taking my Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation. I picked up Chestnut and I picked up the color beside it, but I guess somebody had put this there instead, and so this is not the shade that I wanted. This is like for white people, girl. This ain't my, I was gonna mix the two, but I can't mix these two. These two, if I mix these two, I'm gonna look casket ready. So I'm gonna mix this with NYX and bring that other thing back to the store because I don't know what that's about. Let me just shake it up. I might not even need to mix, but we'll see. It's really thick, I guess because it's supposed to be like a concealer as well, since it's 2-in-1. It's super thick. I probably didn't need to pump out as much as I did, but it's too late now. Yeah, I'm not gonna need to mix anything with this foundation. I'm loving the coverage. The only thing I'm not feeling is that it is definitely scented. It is a little orange on my skin, but we'll combat that. It is legit scented. It smells like perfume. Okay, I look super orange. It might be lighting, I don't know. We're gonna have to put a lot of yellow in this. I can't get over the fact that it's scented. Oh my god. No, this thing, yesterday I said I want to look like a tangerine, and that's exactly what the hell I look like right now. A tangerine. Who has this skin color? Who on earth has this skin color? Who? Please let me know if you are orange. I look like a damn Oompa Loompa. I'm gonna have to throw some NYX into this because I can't just put on like this is too much. I'm gonna take Mahogany by NYX and mix it in this. This is ridiculous. The coverage is great, but the color and hopefully whatever concealer I have will save this because I legit look orange. For concealer, I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer. I'm going to apply the concealer with my e.l.f. brush. This is the Flawless Concealer Brush. I've not used this for my concealer before, so I don't really know how it's going to turn out. Dinner time?
Yeah, when was ready?
Okay, I'm coming.
Right now?
Yeah, I'm just going to blend this in and come. Dinner. So I'm gonna set this really quickly. To set, I'll be taking my Van Nuys Luxury Banana Powder. And because I have to go eat my dinner, I'm not really baking, I'm just setting my face with the banana powder. So I'm not gonna have anything to dust off. just going to be using a contour powder, and this is the Fit Me powder. It's the loose one, and this is in the shade 40 Dark. And just like everything else, it is freaking hard to open. Just made a whole mess. This actually looks like some cocoa powder. For highlighter, I'll be taking my HULA bronzer by Hard Candy. My eyelash is coming off. That's annoying. For blush, I'll be taking my NYX blush in Double Dare.
I can feel the vibe. I can feel the energy.
So now we're going to go back and focus on the under eye area. I'm going to take my Annabelle Metallic Kohl. This is shade 172 Curacao. I never knew how to say that, so if I said it wrong, that's too bad. And I'm going to line my waterline.
Pull up on you right now. On you around me. She just wanna pull up with a young nigga.
And then I'll be taking my MAC Eye Kohl and Hyacinth.
Just wanna pull up with a real nigga. She just wanna stun on all the old niggas. She just wanna stun on.
Then I'll be taking my MAC eyeshadow in Atlantic Blue, so the same color I use on the lid. And I'm gonna use that to blend out the crayons.
All the old niggas. I can feel the vibe. I can feel the energy. Feel it.
To line my lips, I'll be taking Bittersweet by MAC.
Pull up on you right now. On you around me. She just wanna pull up with a young nigga. She just wanna pull up with a real nigga.
And I'm so excited. I will be taking Saucy by Fenty Beauty. Trina absolutely slays this look in confessional. Okay, first of all, my lips need to be scrubbed. I can't go on like this. I simply cannot go on like this.
She just wanna stun on all the old niggas. She just wanna stun on all the old niggas. I got you, I'm pulling up. Waist slim, she thick as fuck. I know they telling you lie after lie, but yeah.
In my last makeup tutorial, I totally forgot to put on mascara. Big mistake.
I keep it real as fuck.
Mascara matters, okay?
She just wanna face a face. We in the fast lane, making bitches stare. Got them diamonds shining off the glare. Got this shit looking rare. Got this shit looking rare. Now that
So to spray my face, I'll be taking my Makeup Forever setting spray, Mist and Fix. I actually meant to use an affordable setting spray. So this is the finished look.
killer, but don't push me, but I'm floating on the edge. Smoking on that killer, and I'm pulling up in 10. Pulling up in 10. You still getting ready?
I hope you guys like the look. I love it. I think it's really cute. Trina's makeup always looks bomb. Like, it always looks freaking bomb. And it looks super bomb in her confessionals. And so I just wanted to recreate this look because I thought it was super bomb. Anyway, you guys, I love you all. And I'll definitely see you in the next one.